a proven strategy on how to achieve anything in life. Have you ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by your goals? Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their New Year's resolutions? What if I told you there's a proven strategy to achieve anything you want in life? Hi everyone, welcome to Mastermind Wisdom. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to achieving any goal you set your mind to. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step strategy to turn your dreams into reality. Importance of goal achievement. Achieving your goals is essential for personal growth, fulfillment, and success. Whether it's career advancement, personal development, or financial freedom, having a clear strategy makes all the difference. If you need to achieve anything in life, you need to know the following concepts. 1. The power of clarity and vision. Knowing exactly what you want is the first step to achieving it. Write down your goals and visualize them in vivid detail. This mental exercise prepares your brain for the journey ahead. 2. Setting smart goals. We need to set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting SMART goals provides a clear roadmap to follow. SMART goals with examples. Specific, define your goal clearly. Example, I want to lose 10 pounds. Measurable, quantify your goal. Example, I will measure my weight every week. Achievable, ensure your goal is realistic. Example, I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Relevant, make sure the goal aligns with your life. Example, I want to improve my health. Time-bound, set a deadline. Example, I will achieve this by the following specific date. As a general example, instead of saying I want to get fit, specify I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising for 30 minutes daily and eating a balanced diet. Steps to achieve anything in life. Step 1. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Large goals can be overwhelming, so divide them into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a step-by-step plan to reach your main goal. If your goal is to write a book, your steps might include outlining your chapters, writing for 30 minutes each day, and setting a weekly word count target. Step 2. Prioritize your actions. Focus on the most important tasks that will bring you closer to your goal. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify and prioritize these high-impact tasks. For example, create a daily or weekly plan that includes these high-priority tasks and stick to it. Step 3. Develop a routine and stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success. Establish daily or weekly routines that incorporate actions towards your goals. Set specific times for these actions to make them habitual. For example, if your goal is to improve your fitness, you might schedule your workouts for the same time each day, turning it into a habit. Step 4. Monitor your progress and adjust as needed. Regularly review your progress to see what's working and what isn't. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plan if necessary. This helps you stay on track and overcome obstacles. Use tools like journals, apps, or progress charts to keep track of your milestones and setbacks. Step 5. Stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Challenges are inevitable, but staying motivated is crucial. Surround yourself with positive influences, celebrate small victories, and remind yourself why you started. Identify potential obstacles and plan how to overcome them. Reward yourself for milestones achieved to keep your motivation high. Practical tips for achieving your goals. Here are some additional tips to help you achieve your goals. Visualize success daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. This keeps your motivation high and reinforces your commitment. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or join a support group to stay on track. Accountability partners can provide encouragement and keep you focused. Learn and adapt. Continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies based on what you learn. Stay curious and open to new methods that can help you reach your goals more effectively. Maintain a positive mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals. A positive attitude can make a significant difference in overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Take care of your well-being. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat healthily, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a motivated mind. Today, we learned about the power of clarity and vision, setting SMART goals, breaking them down into actionable steps, prioritizing actions, staying consistent, monitoring progress, and staying motivated. Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination, so take that first step today. Choose one goal you want to achieve and start implementing these strategies. You have the power to turn your dreams into reality. Every great achievement starts with a single step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mastermind Wisdom, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about the goals you're working on and your progress. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.